It's worldwide available, 100% free and super easy to do. So stay tuned to learn more. You need to pay close attention to this video because you can make over $13.80 per click that you get on your link. Also, it will be super simple to do, as I said. All you need is clicks. And you can make over $1,000 per 100 clicks. So absolutely, there is no excuse why you don't start making some significant amount of money with the same blueprint. Yet, to make this work, you need to follow every step shown inside this video and take action right after this video ends and start making money. But before we start, welcome to our channel. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Now, let's get back to the video. So, this one will be insane because $13 per click equals over $1,000 once you get 100 clicks, which is truly remarkable. But this is worldwide available, so no matter where you are coming from, it doesn't matter if you ever made a dime online. It's beginner friendly and you don't need to invest any money at all. You can start with $0, and now before I show you the very first website, keep watching because we will use that website to combine with some other platforms to make some decent amounts of passive income with this and to make $30,000 per one click. And yes, you can make even more than that if you follow everything I showed you today and if you follow everything until the end. Then not only will you know exactly just how you can do it, but I will certainly show you exactly how we can maximize results because I will give you 2 different platforms at the end of this video. So keep watching. I will be giving you some tips and tricks in the process. So don't skip anything. Now the first platform that we will use is called warriorplus.com. There will be a sign up button right here on the right hand side corner of your screen. You will need to click on this sign up, create a username, enter your email address and create a password. And also you can log into your account. And how this works is that this place is where everyday people like vendors and affiliates can come. Vendors can post their digital products online and also they are generally focusing on earning money online, internet marketing and things. They are focusing on courses, training and software to help you with your affiliate business, with your affiliate marketing, basically with your online businesses. So it's focusing on earning money online. So now how can we make money per click from this website? Well, firstly sign up for this website. There will be a button right here. I already have an account. So I will log into my account by clicking on dashboard button and that will take me over to the next web page. This is something that I have been using in the past and I am still doing it today and making passive income for this. Now I will show you how. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's return to the video. So this section is for vendors. That is not for us because we will not be selling any products over here since that requires many investments and we will need to create a product of selling. And you will need to create a product or skills, experience and other stuff and we don't need that. So we want something that is beginner friendly. After that we can set it up quickly. Also generally we can see that. I will show you exactly how we can set it up in just a few clicks. So you need to head over to the affiliate section, click offers and that will take you over to the top leaderboard where you can see the top products that are now selling where you can come. Then you can ask for an affiliate for those products and make an incredible amount of money for every person you send out to this affiliate web links, which is fantastic. And also as we can see different products over right here that are selling. Here is the trick. So you can pick a random product from here. However, if you genuinely want to get better results, you require to pay close attention to the conversion price, the visitor value, average sale and the refund rate. So that's what you need to pay attention to. Luckily, warriorplus.com provides all this information over right here. So it will be easy to track that if the refund rate is more than 5%. After that, run away from that product. As you can see, I can request to become an affiliate. So I click on that and that will provide me my affiliate web link. With warriorplus.com, once you want to withdraw your money, they are going to be like, hey, your refund rate is pretty big, and then it doesn't feel right. When you see you got a commission and after that 2 minutes later on you know they report it and you lost that money, so it doesn't feel okay. So I highly recommend you focus on those less than 5% refund rates and make sure that the conversion rate is pretty high. I'm going to show you how we can set up that on autopilot to get targeted traffic that is interested in the product. So how do you check if there is something that you will be willing to promote? You will click on this option over right here and that's going to take you over to the next page where you can read more about it, find more about it, and you can see that in the commission range for this one is this amount just for this project alone. This guy is from warriorplus.com. These vendors are good at upselling. So many of this will end up, as we saw, the average sale for this one is really around this amount. And this is the rate for the value per person, and click that you get on your link. And also, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up everything. So keep watching this video. So you can also review their sales web page over here. Again, it's something related to making money online, and also you can see it's a wonderful page. So have a look if it's something that you would like to promote. If it is, then go back right here and request approval. You can tell them about your experience with affiliate marketing and stuff. Just tell them a bit much more about yourself and then request approval. As well as most of this they are going to approve you in less than 24 hours and you can grab your affiliate web link and start promoting that offer. Generally the average visitor value is this amount, yet you also have higher. For example, this one is, or perhaps there is something even higher that you can find on here. Yet mostly they are like $5 to $20 and so on. So when you get approved, go through this section, all offers. Click this and go to approved, just where you can find the products you want to be approved. Here I can grab my affiliate web link. So let's say I want to promote this product right here. Visitor value is this amount, which means I'm making around a respectable amount of cash per click for visitors that I send to this website. So I can click get a link and also I can grab my affiliate web link. I will certainly copy that, and now it's about time we promote the product and set it up on autopilot so we can make some great passive income. Now just how exactly can you do that? You can set this up on autopilot with two different platforms. You can create an Instagram page. This one is reapply loading people's images related to making money online. So you can search for a hashtag like a hashtag earn money online, hashtag online business, hashtag affiliate marketing and stuff. Just leave your affiliate web link in your bio and have some call to action like come with my website and be successful. So you're sending them some to offer to help them earn money online. So you can start a page on Instagram that is relatable to earning money online, and all you would certainly need to do is follow people interested in making money online or to people who are searching for just how to make money online who are engaging. So that is related to earning online money niche and start engaging with them. They are going to be able to see your affiliate link. Click on that and they will certainly be redirected to the sales page where they can read more about it and purchase that. And after that, we upsell it for even more money. So generally, you can find capitalists for these platforms that are uploading something on business. They are attracting people interested in business like entrepreneurs and want to make money online. So you are just attracting them, and all you need to do is start reposting those images and create those pages. You will have no problem with copyrights. You don't have to create those images or you don't have to make those photos or anything. Start reposting that, start building that page and leave your affiliate web link in your bio. So that is one of the ways that you can do it. Generally, we have hundreds of different examples that you can look at. Search for earn money online and find as many of this as possible and start your very own page. So that's one way that you can promote your affiliate web links. The second one is by going over to Facebook and just searching for making money online, and you can go to all those groups and start providing some value with people inside the group. Start engaging with them, start building some relationships. Then you can start to send them your affiliate web link. So don't just go there and paste your links, because obviously those links will get buried by thousands of new posts that are coming because of those groups that are enormous. So obviously you want to stand out by providing value as well as building a relationship. So then once you build a relationship, you can send them your affiliate offers and sell them to the sale pages where you are going to be making some respectable amount of money per click that you get on that affiliate link. And of course per sale that you get for that single product as an affiliate, and that's it. Before you go, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell and like button. Share it with your friends and family and comment below on how much money you make using this strategy. Thanks for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next video.